Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone SE 2022 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. The maximum mode means that when the device, the decibel meter, will reduce the highest volume here of our device speaker, so then the value here on this display will change. So let's start. So as you can see, our iPhone SE reached 110 and 2 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.